Hey, if you want to download more always on display screens on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open the settings. Then from this you will have to actually scroll down and you will have to go into the themes. From this you will have to select always on displays right here at the bottom. And as you can see, we've got actually some paid screens, but if you want to get free, just click on the right upper corner and input free phrase. And as you can see from here, we can find the most popular free. So let's say that I want to download, for example, this one. So I have to click on it and then I have to click download. Now I have to click apply. And I can get the clock and image or only image. I'm gonna get the clock and the image. So click done. And now when I open the settings, and if I go into the always on display, as you can see, I can find this theme as my main always on display picture. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.